All right, so as mentioned, here's a quick walkthrough on MX Merchant. Basically, this is where all the payments that are coming through that web payment form, they're going to end up in MX Merchant. So there's kind of a lot here. I'm just going to show you what you need to pull the reports that you need to do this. So once you get logged in, this is dashboard. It's the first screen you're going to see. Just go over to payments. And what you're going to see here is just a list of all chronological payments, just in chronological order as they've come in. You can see, there's the details of the payments. If you click into the reference number, for instance, if you needed to cancel, like to void this transaction or refund it, you have options here. But this is just all the basic information that you're going to see on each payment. By default, this is going to show you last 30 days. If you wanted to edit that in any way, just come up to here. So if you want to see a custom date range, for instance, if you only wanted to see, not the penny test sales, you could do amounts, whatever. Let's even do approved, for instance, apply. That'll show just the one transaction that's approved. So then from here, if you click this icon, it exports whatever you have on the page out to Excel. So if you click that and open this back up, and there you go. So this is the payment information. If we click here, you'll see customer name, camper name, just happy camper, put a voicemail number here. I did not put a fund allocation per camper, just because this is an optional field, so you can leave that blank or fill that in. And that's basically what you'd end up with. So you just edit these fields, just delete out what you don't need, and then from here you could import it into the PDI app. One other thing to show you here, this is payments. Payments go into batches, so basically as your payments come in daily, they'll reconcile together into batches for settlement. So this basically will show you all the transactions that you have in a given batch. You just click into it and get reporting. And the other is customers. So you can also sort this based on the customer name. Now the customer is going to be the cardholder name because that's what it's pulling when you're entering the information. But if you needed to see, like for instance, we came into here. If we go into, for instance, history, you could see all transactions that came in from that camper or that cardholder. So if you need to reconcile at the end of the month or whatever, end of the year, you can go ahead and go in here and find out. This is another way to look up basically the same information. So that's what I've got. And if any questions on that, just let me know.